Problem number 4. Now we are going to discuss about the problem number 4. The following cost and inventory data for the just completed year are taken from the accounting records of Eccles Company. Cost incurred during the period, that is advertising cost, in the advertising expense 1 lakh, direct labor cost 90,000, purchases of raw material 1,32,000, rent factory building 80,000, indirect labor 56,300, sales commission 35,000, utility factory 9,000, maintenance factory 24,000, supplies factory 700, depreciation office equipment 8,000, depreciation factory equipment 40,000. Okay, data for the beginning and the end of the year is inventories, raw material 8,000 and 10,000, work in process 5,000 and 20,000, finished goods 70,000 and 25,000. Okay, we know that we have three types of inventory in manufacturing: raw material, work in process, and finished goods. I'm repeating again because these are the three inventory we have in manufacturing, right? Raw material, WIP, and finished goods. Okay, what is the requirement of the question? Here, prepare a schedule of cost of goods manufactured statement and prepare the cost of goods sold section of Eccles income statement for the year. Cost of goods sold statement बनाना है और कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स मैन्युफैक्चर स्टेटमेंट बनाना है. सबसे पहले हम बनाएंगे कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स मैन्युफैक्चर स्टेटमेंट और इनकम स्टेटमेंट में कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स सोल्ड का जो सेक्शन होता है हमें वो प्रिपेयर करना है. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर दी थिंग्स. आई हैव made this template for you. Again, I am writing first. We will calculate the direct material. Direct materials, right? How can we calculate the direct material? Raw material inventory beginning, raw material inventory beginning, that is 8,000. From where I got this value? Again, from the question, there is 8,000 raw material beginning of the year, 8,000 end of the year 10,000, right? So 8,000 is this. Okay, wait, I can just okay, now my second thing is add purchases. You know, we add some purchases of the period. Purchases of raw material, that is 1,32,000. From where I got? Again, I have seen from here purchases of raw material 1,32,000. Okay, now what is the value of these two? 1 lakh. Again, I will add these two value. You can directly apply the formula of sum. You can apply individual cell as well. You can do it by auto sum. It's up to you how you are calculating. Raw material available for use. Raw material available for use, right? Raw material available for use is 1,40,000. Okay, next is deduct. What we will deduct? Deduct raw material inventory ending, right? Raw material inventory ending. Raw material inventory ending is value 10,000, right? Okay, so after deducting this value from the raw material available for sale, we got 1,30,000, right? So what is this, the name of this value? Raw material used in production. Raw material used in production, right? Now we have direct labor. My direct labor is, okay, see from the question, direct labor cost is 90,000. So I will write here direct labor cost, that is 90,000, right? Okay, My third value is manufacturing overhead. Okay, this is the important, because we will take the value which one to take and not, which one not to take. In MOH, MOH is the indirect expenses, and these all are related with the factory, right? So first, advertising expense, no, this is not the factory expense, right? We will take it in income statement, so we will exclude this value from here. We will not consider. Rent, factory building, these two value we have already taken, that's why I left. Okay, rent factory building, 80,000. Rent factory building, yes, this is a part of manufacturing overhead. Factory current, rent factory building. Rent of factory building, obviously it is a part of manufacturing overhead, right? 80,000, that is given in the question. Okay, another one, another value, this is indirect labor, 56,300. Yes, indirect labor. Indirect labor क्या होती है? Indirect labor all are labor which is indirectly associated with the product, not the direct. So indirect labor is 56,300, right? Okay, next one is the utility factory. Utilities factory. See, I am taking all factory related item, right? Factory related item. Where is utility factory? This is the utility factory, 9,000. Sales commission is the part of selling cost, right? And selling cost is the period cost, and period cost is a part of income statement, not the cost of goods manufacture statement. So we will exclude this sales commission from here, and we'll pick utility factory, that is 9,000, right? That is 9,000. Okay, next one is maintenance factory equipment. Maintenance factory equipment. Where is this value? From where I got this value? Again, see here, maintenance factory equipment, 24,000. This is again related with the factory, so we will consider as, or we will take this value, right? And the MOH. Okay, next value is supplies factory. Yes, we will consider supplies because it is related with the, again, factory. Supplies of factory, right? So supplies of factory amount is, supplies of factory, that is 700, right? So we will take it 700. Okay, next value is, see here, depreciation office equipment. Office equipment mean admin office building. We are talking about admin office building, right? So we will exclude this depreciation, and we will take only factory equipment depreciation. Depreciation on factory equipment, that is 40,000. Depreciation, you know depreciation, I hope you know it very well because you have learned financial accounting, principle of accounting as well. Depreciation factory equipment is, depreciation factory equipment is 40,000, right? Okay, we will add these all value together. How we can add? Formula of sum, give the range from here. Cell address, the cell address is C, column name and row number C43, right? Till, if you want to give range, so you have to write column C till C48, right? C48, it is selected. Okay, 2,10,000. So total manufacturing overhead is, total manufacturing overhead is 2,10,000, right? Okay, one value material, second labor, third MOH. When we combine these three values, so what we get? We get total manufacturing TMC, total manufacturing cost, right? And the value of TMC is, again, we can sum these three values individually or by the formula of sum, right? So 4,30,000. Okay, now what is the value of WIP beginning and ending? Because we will add WIP beginning and we will deduct WIP ending. WIP beginning is work in process beginning. क्या करेंगे इसको? Add करेंगे. Add WIP beginning. How much? Amount is 5,000. What is the value of WIP beginning? That is 5,000. So sum of these two value again, this value plus of this value, so 4,35,000. Okay, what is the value of WIP ending? WIP ending is deduct WIP work and process ending is work in process ending is 20,000. So what we will get here after deducting this value from my 4,15,000. So this is the value of cost of goods manufactured, right? I hope you guys understand, student. समझ आया? Right, so cost of goods manufactured is 4,15,000. Now the second part is prepare the cost of goods sold section, right? So we will prepare the cost of goods sold section. How we can prepare the cost of goods sold section, and from where we can get cost of goods sold, right? First we will take finished goods finished goods finished goods beginning, and what is the value of my finished goods beginning? That is 70,000. See here, 70,000 ending 25. Remember this value, right? So my beginning is 70,000, right? Okay, add, what we will do, we will add cost of goods manufactured. Cost of goods manufactured. Cost of goods manufactured is 4,15,000. We have already add this value. Okay, यहाँ से भी ले सकते हैं. You can select this value from here. So 4,15,000. Now what is this value? The name of this value, goods available for, what we got? Goods available for sale. Goods available for sale, and the goods available for sale is 70 plus of this value 4,85,000. And what we will do next? What is the next step? We will deduct the value of finished goods ending, right? First we add finished goods beginning, and at last we will deduct finished goods ending. Finished goods ending, and my finished goods ending is 25. I have shown before. Here you can see here the 25,000 my finished goods ending, and finished good beginning is 70,000. Again I rechecked 70 and 25. So what is the my last value? That is cost of goods sold, right? And how I got this value? 4,85,000 minus 25,000, right? 4,60,000. This is my value of cost of goods sold, right? So I hope, student, you understand this, right? Thank you.